Imagine you are cruising down the highway and suddenly that dreaded check engine light pops onto your dashboard, maybe accompanied by your temperature gauge acting a little erratic. You grab your scanner and it flashes the code P0599. This code stands for Thermostat Heater Control Circuit High. Now, do not panic, but you need to understand what is happening under the hood. This is a generic powertrain code for vehicles made after 1996, but here is the catch. This specific code is most common in German-engineered vehicles like BMW, Mercedes, Audi, Mini, Volkswagen, and some Opels. Unlike the old-school thermostats that operated purely on wax and heat physics, your car uses a sophisticated electronically controlled thermostat. This smart device allows the engine computer to regulate temperature more precisely. It runs hotter for better fuel economy when you are cruising on the freeway and cools down to give you more power when you smash the gas pedal. When you see code P0599, it means the computer is seeing a voltage signal from the thermostat heater control circuit that is higher than the manufacturer limit. The symptoms might be subtle. You might not notice any difference in how the car drives, which is tricky. However, if the thermostat fails while stuck closed, your engine will overheat, and if it sticks open, it will take forever to warm up. The most common causes are usually electrical ghost gremlins rather than a blown engine. It is often a loose or corroded electrical connector on the thermostat housing, a broken wire in the harness, or simply that the electronic heating element inside the thermostat has burned out. Another sneaky cause is low coolant levels, so always check that first. Here is how you tackle this. Pop the hood and locate the thermostat. Unplug the electrical connector and look closely at the pins. If you see green or white corrosion, clean it with a mix of baking soda and water. Apply some dielectric grease and snap it back together tight. If you are handy with a multimeter, you can check the resistance of the thermostat heater against the specs in your service manual. If the resistance is out of range, or if the connector looks melted, you are going to need to replace the entire thermostat unit. This is a straightforward bolt-on repair for most cars. However, if you are uncomfortable dealing with cooling systems or electrical diagnosis, this is the time to take it to a professional shop, because an overheating engine can cost you thousands in repairs if ignored. Thanks for watching and keep that engine running cool.